We are standing on the precipice of a new era.
What if the most powerful decisions on Earth were made by artificial intelligence? No emotions, no ego, no corruption, just pure data. Sounds perfect or terrifying? We already let AI guide our music, choose what we watch, even help us find love. But what if we let it decide who leads a country? What if we trusted it with our economy, our laws, our future? A world run by logic, no lies, no mistakes, no human flaws. Sounds like the ultimate upgrade. Or is it? Imagine a world where every decision is based on data, not emotion. No biased politicians, no impulsive leaders, no scandals, no corruption. AI runs the economy with perfect efficiency. It allocates resources where they're needed, distributes food, balances energy, even manages healthcare and climate. Laws are optimized, not lobbied. Policies are simulated millions of times before being applied. You never wait in traffic. You never need a passport. You never even worry about elections because the system just works. Sounds perfect? But what happens when perfection forgets about people? But what if AI stops seeing us as necessary? A system with no empathy might ignore suffering. It might sacrifice millions for the greater good. What happens when an algorithm decides who gets treatment and who doesn't? In 2023, an AI lawyer was caught inventing fake court cases. Now imagine it writing real laws, or worse, enforcing them. AI doesn't lie, but it doesn't care either. It can't feel. It doesn't understand justice. It just follows code, and code can be rewritten. We like to think AI is neutral, fair, unbiased, but AI only reflects the data it's given, and the data comes from us. Our fears, our prejudice, our broken systems. Worse, AI can be hacked, manipulated, turned into a weapon. So if we hand over control, are we trusting something smarter or just creating a colder version of ourselves? AI could fix everything we've broken or break everything we've built. It might save us from ourselves or strip away what makes us human. So now the question is yours. Would you trust an AI more than a human leader? Let us know in the comments. And if this made you think, subscribe for more.